welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole Sierra and I'm a Virgo who will be showing you your official companion guide for Animal Crossing New Horizons. Welcome to our official companion guide, Animal Crossing New Horizons video. I'm going to be showing you a flip through of the book and showing you what actually comes inside this huge book. And I will also be doing a giveaway of the Animal Crossing New Horizons official companion guide. Okay, so to start off, this on the outside of the book is actually a matte finish. So it came in plastic and I opened it, and the actual cover is matte, and I think it makes it look really beautiful, the fact that it's literally soft to the touch. And this is actually kind of like a book covering. So if you fold this back, you actually have this as the picture of the book, which is honestly a really beautiful picture, having some favorite characters. And I love how it's like a Polaroid shot because that's one of the new features of the game. So the material's kind of flimsy of a book, but it's still really cute that it has this covering. So this is the front page. It says, "Welcome to Animal Crossing New Horizons official companion guide. Welcome, resident. Welcome to your official companion guide to the Deserted Island Getaway Package. Whatever your goals and expectations for your personal island getaway may be, we want to help you achieve and exceed them." While putting this book together, we spent a lot of time relaxing on beaches, gathering island resources, and trying on clothes in the Able Sisters fitting room. No expense was spared, no insects were harmed, and all loans have been repaid in full. We've made ourselves experts at living this island life, and now we want to share that knowledge with you, or at least as much of it as we could fit into a reasonably sized book. So relax, sit back, and take it all at your own pace. Time is the only thing you have plenty of on a deserted island. The Future Press Team. This is such a cute, good picture of Tom Nook. So on page 1, we have what do you want to know, and it kind of tells you the 7 different sections of the book. So the first one, we have Welcome to Your Island Getaway. We have Meet the Locals. Then part 3, we have the Nook Inc. Guide to Island Life. In 4, we have The Great Outdoors. 5, we have The Workbench. Number 6, Isabel's Island Reviews. And then 7, the Nook Collector's Catalog. On this page, you can see a little bit more detail of each of the categories on each page for the table of contents. So you still have the 7 different chapters, I guess you can call them, and it goes a little bit into more detail on each page of what you can find in those chapters particularly. In between each chapter page, I really love the artwork. This is, I feel like, a beautiful picture. So this is chapter 1, Welcome to Your Island Getaway, and it kind of just introduces the basic features of Animal Crossing New Horizons. Page, you have some of the goals of the game. So right here it has like to help Tom Nook, improve your house, donate to the museum, etc. So I think it's really cool that they really go into depth of like everything about the game in this book. As you can see, it is a huge book and they give you a lot of information. I think I paid $20 for this book. So considering how much I paid and everything that's in here, especially the graphics, the fact that the book is like really well organized, color coded, very cute, and it has a lot of really cool pictures. For $20, I think it is such a good investment, especially if you're a big fan of Animal Crossing. Then I feel like this is a great collector's item. Here we have chapter 2, Meet the Locals. So you get another really amazing picture at the beginning of each chapter, and it goes into detail about everything that they talk about in the table of contents. A lot of really cool pictures and a lot of little cute like bonus boxes that you have here that give you a lot of different information as well. And this talks about the museum and some more about Blathers, Nook's Cranny, details about Timmy and Tommy. So this book is definitely something that you would love to read. It's really a beautiful book. So the rest I'm just going to do a flip through. So that's the end of our official companion guide, Animal Crossing New Horizons flip through. I hope you liked it. You can find this in stock on Amazon. I'm not sure if it's in stock anywhere else, but that was where I was able to find one. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave some comments down below if you have a specific section of the book or a chapter or a list that you would like to see more in detailed. I know it's really hard to capture everything on camera just through a simple flip through, so if there's a specific area that you want me to really get good footage of so you can actually see the page, let me know and I can do a separate video dedicated just to that. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.